Hello, this is Ian,
And this is Maria.
and we are directing An Unexpected Hiccup. Ian, you are from Plutot La Vie,
I'm from Plutot La Vie.
where Tim Licata is an actor in the show, also from
Yeah.
Plutot La Vie.
We are the artistic
So
directors.
it's a collaboration between
Lung
Lung
Ha.
Ha and Plutot La Vie. So Ian, how did it start?
Well, it was when you came to me and said, I think it'd be good if we did something together.
Oh yeah.
And I said, yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
Then you said, and what should we do? I said, oh. I said, well, actually, there's this something I've written based on something that happened to me, which we were going to do in Plutot La Vie, and I think it would be maybe very suitable. And it was sort of a scenario put together, like quite a full one. And we've used that as a catalyst for creating an unexpected hiccup.
Yeah. And it's the first time Lung Ha is doing a farce like this.
Yeah. And we've got live music,
Yeah. And we have
And
7 actors
7 actors,
and what else?
3 musicians.
3 musicians, you and me in the background.
Yeah,
Your Karen Tennant has done a great set,
yeah,
loads of doors and things.
yeah.
And Alison Brown is doing the costumes.
Costumes.
Yep. And
Andrew Cruikshank, the
yeah, music.
composer.
Yep. So Ian,
Yeah.
COVID.
COVID, yes.
Everything takes longer.
God.
Yeah, we need more
Yeah.
time, more people.
More space,
More
because everyone has to
space.
be a meter apart,
Yeah.
which has affected the choreography because no one can be any closer and they can't touch.
Yeah. So we need a big rehearsal space, which
Big
is more
rehearsal
expensive.
space. Yeah,
And also people's travel.
yeah.
You need to make the safest travel, which is not always the cheapest travel.
Kirsty Nicholson, who's the COVID officer.
Yeah,
I suppose you'd
yeah, we
call
have a
her.
spare extra
Yeah.
person in. And also, all the props are personalized. So no one can take another prop from that somebody
No.
else has used. So we have to buy extra things as well.
Yeah.
And then, of course, all the gel
Yeah,
and wipes and all of that that's also an extra cost. So the budget has expanded quite
Yeah.
a lot,
beyond what we expected.
far beyond.
Yes.
We don't want to look.
So, if you can come see An Unexpected Hiccup at the studio at the Festival Theatre from the 27th to the 30th of October, in which there are 2 matinees and the rest are evening performances. That'd be great. Thank you.
And if you have a spare penny, please donate it to our crowdfunder, which you can find somewhere on this video. Thank you.